In this video, we will show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on this Ford Ranger with the 2.3-liter engine. This will be mounted directly to your upper air filter housing. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The mass airflow sensor is located right along this area. To be able to gain access to it, we're going to dislodge the upper air filter housing. To dislodge that, go ahead and loosen this 8mm headed clamp. You can also use a flathead screwdriver. Smooth these hoses as needed. At this point, you have a clear view of the mass airflow sensor. As far as the electrical connector, you're going to find that you have a red locking tab. Dislodge the red locking tab, squeeze in on the lock, and then disconnect the electrical connector. Once you've done that, go ahead and give it a quick inspection for corrosion. There's the locking tab. The next thing we'll do is use a T20 Torx bit to remove each of our 2 screws, holding the mass airflow sensor in place. You'll find the tool came with your kit. And there it is, friend. Clean and inspect the mounting area. Let's prepare to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. When you install it, you want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation so the sensing agent is facing towards where the air filter housing would be. We have our air filter towards the larger area here, so we'll just go ahead and slide this right into place. Continue on to starting in each of your 2 mounting bolts, snug them up, and torque them down. The torque for these is only 18 inch-pounds, which isn't very much. Now that we're sure this is secured, we can continue on with our wiring harness. We'll take this and press it into position. Once you've done so, lock it in with your red locking tab. Listen for a click from that. We'll give it a little tug. Lock it down. At this point, we'll take this housing and slide it into place. You want to pay attention to your 3 ears. They will slide into 3 slots on the lower housing. Just be careful for that mass airflow sensor as we bring this into position. While we bring this down, we can start reattaching our air inlet hose. Let's tuck in those hoses. Now we have our 2 clips. Tighten your 8mm headed clamp. Double check to make sure everything's secured. At this point, you can go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Make sure you have no running condition and no check engine light. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.